Hey everyone, I'm Hannah and welcome to our tutorial series. In this series, we are going to do it specifically all about this little guy, the Insta360 GO. We're going to cover all things Go related, and don't forget to drop us a comment if there's anything specific that you'd like to learn, and we can do our best to make a tutorial about it. So let's get started. If your camera hasn't arrived yet, then this is what you can look forward to. In the box, you will find your Go, charging case, charging cable, and a bunch of different accessories, which means that you can mount your camera pretty much anywhere. And here they are, the magnet pendant, pivot stand, sticky base, easy clip with angle wedge. First, let's take a closer look at Go. Now, Go's button is on the back, but a press to the front is enough to activate it. You can use the logo as an indication of where to press. You'll also notice that Go is magnetic. That means you can place it on metal surfaces or use it with any of the accessories that come in the box for some truly unique angles. So let's take a sneak peek at each accessory. First, the magnet pendant. It's as it sounds, a magnetic pendant that you can wear around your neck. Just pop it under your shirt with the white facing forward. You can adjust the length of the string with this thing so you can wear it higher or lower on your chest. Once it's on, just pop Go on the pendant like this. It's ideal for hands-free POV content. Here's an example. This is a sticky base, basically a super sticky magnet. Stick it wherever you like, then just pop Go right on it. You can get crazy creative angles with this little thing. The pivot stand is much like the sticky base, but with the added bonus of angles. The pivot stand can be mounted anywhere and can be adjusted to fit your desired angle. This is great for flat surfaces when it'd be impossible to mount a normal camera. Oh, and if the base of either of these gets dirty, then just give it a quick wash off with some water, dry it off, and it will be back to normal again. And last but not least, the easy clip. This bad boy is ideal for sports when things can get a little bit shaky. Just pop the Go on the inside, then clip it onto a cap, sweatband or clothing. You'll also notice this little wedge. You can use that to adjust the angle of the clip up or down. So I hope that was helpful. You can head over to our YouTube channel for our full playlist of tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tips, tricks and adventures with Insta360. See you next time.